Stein door 15th Avenue across Worldwide Plumbing, the brand new, beautiful, state-of-the-art building. Gevre, let's check it out over here. Shumalachem Strulli.
Chaim, shkoyach my Rebbe Kimmel, love the was do a beautiful building.
Wow, I heard all about this building. The Ultimate Borough Park, Loivkan Union, Loivkan Linden, Loivkan Lakewood. They don't know, doing Borough Park, do geschmacke bequeme diris that they could enjoy. Surely?
Wow. Beautiful shiny lobby.
Beautiful lobby.
Beautiful building, 42 apartment building.
42 apartments.
42 apartments, high end, appliances.
Neem ze aan, de oude waarheid. Laat maar zien wat dit te doen. Laat maar aan checken, Gevre. Dus de lobby doen, laat maar aan de elevator. Grootste breite elevators, geschmack. Double carriages kan er aan doen, triple carriages. De Borough Park met Boca, let's check it out.
Okay, so it's this.
Seven floors here?
7 floors.
7 floors, geschmack. So maar een beetje in de building, so this is a worldwide project. And we gezien the need to do this in Borough Park, and you guys took the challenge and you went for it. I like that. Wow, there's all of these come with appliances.
All the appliances, window shades, high end. It's a high end apartments, nice, spacious.
Can't wait.
We have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom.
1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. Any did out the porch?
Yes.
Wow, beautiful floor, beautiful, spacious hallway.
Let me show you. Basically, this is a 1. This is a 2 bedroom, a 2 bedroom. Chaim, in some of jeder room hat a carriage room. Basically, it's
beautiful, nice big room. Carriages, bikes, whatever you need in your house.
It's a storage.
Storage you do.
Room. Let's see one. Let me show you one apartment. Combination locks and then
combination lock.
Combination locks are also basically this is it.
Beautiful. Stamazoi. Nice. This is
high end fixtures.
Beautiful. Get back kick.
Jeder room with a split unit. Split units. Balconies.
Shiny
LED. Beautiful LED lighting under the cabinets. High-end appliances.
Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Like this. Okay, the bathroom comes with a beautiful, nice.
Jeder apartment gibt mit window shades.
Beautiful.
Spotlights.
Laat me zien draußen de view doen. Laat me zien, het is een shiny view. Borough Park. Have a beautiful view. Nice big geschmack windows. Every
beautiful room. Doors. 8-foot doors.
Inside there's a closet
light,
space.
yes. You open up with the light. Yeah, the closet is the lights all over.
Inside. See what's going on inside, even though the light's closed in the room by night. I'm looking at from the closet light. Every room has a split unit with that thermostat for that room.
Shiny tieren.
Shiny große tieren. Kijk op de dak, push it. The ceiling is how many feet?
9.5.
It's a 9.5-foot ceiling. Groß, bequem, Geschmack. Noch einmal jede Zimmer a split unit. Shiny große balcony rauszugehen.
Window shades.
Window shades again. Jede die dort a balcony. It's beautiful. A nice balcony, fresh air.
Chaim, laten we was the appliances, high-end appliances. I guess it's alpha Shabbos mode, wherever.
Shabbos mode. Beautiful, nice freezer in there. This is so nice. Those are feeling a lot of zichen days. A beautiful apartment.
Shiny kitchens, faucets.
Wer gemacht der plumbing do?
Worldwide plumbing.
No way. Warte. Steht sich. Nice ovens. I like the new
stainless steel look.
Stainless steel look with the new type of ovens. Nice cabinets.
Wash and dry.
Jede die kommt der wash and dryer?
Jede die hat der wash and dryer.
Nice wash and dryer, stackable, neat. Lights.
Closet space all over.
Closet space, lights. It's really wow. Nice. Two balconies.
2 balconies. One in the front, one in the back.
Beautiful. Beautiful view. Ganz Borough Park you see from here. It's a beautiful view. Nice porch. Groß Geschmack. 15th Avenue. Okay, Metall is do. I love this. I love the space.
Let me show you another balcony.
Rachel is do. So there's one in the back, and there's another balcony in the front. And basically, you get the full view van alle zaken do.
Ga je mogen kijken on the beautiful design in the bathrooms, all the tiles.
I like the design. Who designed this whole deal over here?
Chaim Green.
Chaim Green from CG?
CG design.
Beautiful design. I like the whole ways, the elegancy, the beautifulness, the design.
Chaim ook de yiddish, dus de intercom. Basically, I guess this alles kan men zijn, do exactly.
There's a screen that you can see the person downstairs.
Yes.
That's a yiddish. And a clap of tea. You see the guy who's outside. Beautiful. High-end. Comes stacked with appliances, with everything ein Gaman Borough Park needs. Chavre, let's check it out. So 42 Didas, it's a guy schnell, yeah?
Yeah. It's half schon gehabt. It's almost taken and everything.
Almost everything. Wow. So the oil push kommt daran nach Didas. So ever still wants to have around.
Can you tell us that Didas in Borough Park?
So if somebody wants to rent a Dida here, you can reach out 718
500 3920.
718 500 3920. Reach out. Call around and check out the beautiful Didas. Shkoich Shuli for showing me around, and Shkoich for often for Borough Park. They wouldn't stay in Borough Park. They'd have to run away. Beautiful Didas here, center of Borough Park. Shirley, thank you.
Right.